Medical insurance cards contain the kind of data that both insurers and healthcare organizations have to process. It needs to be transferred to systems carefully, accurately, and at scale, something people struggle to do. In contrast, CMR Plus uses AI techniques that emulate the way that people process documents, but with the added advantages that digital technology brings. CMR Plus handles volume, variety, and complexity around the clock without getting tired. It means your people can focus on data quality control and value-adding tasks, not the hard grind of data entry. Let's see how easy it is to use. Here we have 4 samples, which we've created using fictional data. They're all laid out differently. In the configuration screen, we can see the 9 data points we plan to extract listed on the right. The carrier name will be extracted using lookup mode. CMR Plus checks the results against a pre-existing list and looks for a match. If it finds a keyword, say target, anywhere in the document, it'll display the result as per the database entry. In this case, target insurance. We'll look for member name using discrete mode. It searches for a field label. It could be member, member name, or any variation we've taught the system to recognize. We've set it to look for an alphabetical value of between 2 and 20 characters to the right of the field label. Member ID and group number we'll search for using expression mode. Here we set the system to search for precise patterns of letters and numbers. In this case, a letter followed by 9 digits. Let's add another, a letter followed by 8 digits. For the group number, the pattern is 8 numerals with a dash after the second. For the last 4 values, we use discrete mode again. We've used a business rule to ensure that they'll be captured as amounts and expressed consistently as figures with 2 digits after the decimal point, even if those are missing on the documents. Then we go into the learning and training screens so the system accepts the new patterns and rules we've added. Next, we go to the prediction screen and upload the documents. We confirm that these documents belong to the particular type we've set it to process. It'll take a few seconds, so let's fast forward. Finally, we come to quality control, where we can check that the data has been extracted correctly. With the first card, it's found target in the lookup and extracted it as target insurance. All the identifying numbers and amounts have been captured with 100% accuracy. We click QC Complete by the top right of the document and it moves us to the next. This next one also looks good, though CMR Plus hasn't spaced the member's name correctly, so we'll add a space manually. As we do that, the triangle to the right of the value that indicates the system's confidence in a piece of data turns blue to show it's been modified. Simultaneously, the accuracy drops to 99%. Everything else is perfect. It's correctly rendered all the amounts in dollars and cents, so we hit QC Complete and move to sample 3, which again is absolutely perfect, and we'll look at the last one. Here it's correctly recognized emergency room as ER, but we also have a couple of missing fields for specialist and PCP. We check the document manually quickly. Those fields aren't there, and then we click on QC Complete. CMR Plus tells us that there are no more documents in the batch, so we're done. These are very straightforward forms, but the data's unstructured, and while many systems would have struggled with these, CMR Plus ripped through them with outstanding accuracy. CMR Plus, really intelligent document processing.